I can't go trick-or-treating.
Rintoo, what's wrong? Hi, Lan. Why is Rintoo crying? I'm not sure, Ho-Ho, but we gotta try to find the reason why Rintoo is crying. Remember what happened when Rintoo was in bed? Rintoo's face looked really sad. Let's listen to what he said.
I can't go trick-or-treating.
And then he started crying. Hey, I think I know why Rintoo is crying. Because he can't go trick-or-treating. Do you think that's why? I think so too. Let's ask him. Rintoo, are you crying because you can't go trick-or-treating?
Yeah, I really want to go. And now I have to stay in bed.
Aw, Rintoo. We're sorry, Rintoo. Rintoo really needs our help. Rintoo, we're your friends, and we're gonna figure out a way to help you.